We're back with box number 2 and ready to get this thing opened up. I got my safety gear on here just in case I have any random strangers, hitchhikers in the box here. We're good to go. That is the fact that I just really wanted to wear this thing really badly. So here we go. We're going to open this up and see what kind of goodies we got in box number 2. Looking forward to this right here. I believe these are going to be the unassembled supers and brood chambers and packing material. So get a good pan in there. Look at all this good. Look how they package this stuff, y'all. Let y'all take a gander how well nice and packaged this is. All this is how it comes packaged. At some point, I'm sure this is all going to make sense. I'm going to go in here. That's where the magic happens. That's where we start all the bee combs and hives. And all this is pre-drilled from what I understand, so when you put the nails in, it doesn't split the wood. So you can see very well packaged. They do a great display job, good packing job. Really impressed with the way they did that there. If you haven't noticed my background, we're actually underneath my greenhouse that I'm working right now to build. It's a temporary top on here. We had some bad weather come through a couple weeks ago, and it's kind of a temporary fix, but this is going to go along with this project really nicely. So we got all the parts to make that, and it comes with, looks like, some pretty straightforward instructions. Nice quality dovetail ends here. And look at that. It was a hitchhiker on the end. Poor little fella didn't make it. Rest in peace, B. Poor little fella. Anyway, so got all that really well packaged and got all the frames ready to go, and by the magic of camera and filming, I'm going to take all this and make it into a sensible amount of boxes. So y'all stay tuned and get down to the bottom of this box and all this and get it started put together. And then we're going to choose the paint. We're going to use exterior latex, and they say the bees don't really care what color, so we're going to come up with a nice color to paint them, and we'll get back with you. Thank you.